detalye na yung nakausap ko po na promo girl. Kasi direct may gave me a chance to see kung paano sila. The simpleng detalye, sinabihan niya ako na kami dapat meron kang tatlong klaseng sapatos. Lahat 4 inches, 5 inches yan. Meron kang black, white, tsaka silver. Yun yung sa mga simpleng detalye na kailangan pala talaga yan. So, those are things na hindi mo naman maiisip yan pag nanonood kang ng silver screen, if you watch the movies na, ay, isa lang ang silver shoes niya. Kasi ganun yung things na, or isa lang yung hoop earrings niya, hindi siya palit ng palit. Kasi ganun sila in real life. So those are the simple details na you learn from immersions and pag-research po.
Direct May, Ann, at saka Sam, for your information, si Danny Vivas, si Professor. Eto ngayon si Live.
Okay. We'd like to thank Baby Mark of Hong Kong para sa kanyang question. And lahat po nung nasa chat.abs-cbn.com, thank you for tuning in. We have our question for Mr. Romel Llanes of PEP.
You keep on saying, both of you, Ann and Sam, you keep on saying that you're not together. So, let's just say hypothetically, na you have your own, after this, you have your own, both of you have your own relationships. Will you still be there for each other if the relationship turns sour sa inyong dalawa? Make that promise to each other now.
Like, kunwari we have our own relationship after this movie na we'll still be there. Ako, yes,
For each
definitely.
other?
Definitely. That's what's great about this, with our relationship. I mean, yeah, there was a breakup and there was a time na may ilang stage, but especially with this movie being together, realized, how close we are, even just as friends. And for me, I'll definitely always be there for.
If you have that love
Kailan?
for each other pala, what's keeping you from getting back together? Okay.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Romel Llanes. Tita Ethel.
Before the last question from Julie, here's Mr. Mario Bautista.
Kay Direk May, ang ganda-ganda mo.
Thank you po. Salamat po sa makeup artist ng film namin.
Hindi ka naman kamukha ni Cherry Pie, mas payat ka sa kanya. Ikaw na ngayon ang best-looking female director in Philippine cinema.
Thank you po.
Have you never considered working in front of the camera and not behind it?
Nung bata po ako, gusto ko pong maging stage actress. Kaso po, kailangan po kumakanta eh. So, nung nalaman ko po, akala ko po nung bata ako magaling ako kumanta. Nung nag-lead po kami ng Holy Rosary, tapos hindi ako napili na maging singer. Binuli ko yung kaklase ko, tapos ako yung kumanta, thinking magaling ako kumanta. Nung kumanta po ako, ang sagwapo pala ng boses ko, rude awakening po yun na hindi ako pang on stage. At na-realize ko, siguro mas masaya kung backstage na lang ako. Kaya yun, yung mas masaya po ako na backstage. I'm really actually very shy. Yun po.
Shy ka pa niyan.
Shy pa po ako nitong lagay na to.
Kay Ant at kay Sam, you've worked before only sa TV, di ba? Diyosa, maging sino man. So, anong difference working for the big screen and for the small screen?
For me, not much difference. I mean, in terms of our working relationship, I mean, it's just different syempre kasi yung sa movie, mas konting mga eksena na nag-shoot sa isang araw. But in terms of working relationship, it just feels the same. I mean, we know each other so well, we know how to parang help each other. At yun ang maganda kasi si Direk, she's been with both of us. This is parang our first movie together. This is her first movie din. Tsaka, she was with us on TV at alam niya kung anong ginawa namin. At alam niya kung anong mga nuances. Mas lalo ako yung mga nuances ko. Gusto niya, yung mga bago ng iba, She doesn't want me to do yung ginawa ko dati. And so, yun ang maganda ngayon.
I think I'd have to agree with Sam na parang wala masyadong iba sa amin. At yun yung nagiging problema. Kaya nga maganda na dyan si Direk May to point it out sa amin na, oops, saglit lang, medyo similar to sa ginawa niyo, or hindi kayo si Sam and dito, ikaw si Sasa at Nico. So, it's good na andun si Direct May to remind us of these things. So, yun lang naman po.
Bago ko ibigay ang microphone kay Julie, gusto lang ipaalam ng Star Cinema kay Direct May, who is certified kapamilya baby, that they are so happy with what has been happening to you, dahil dito ka nga nagsimula, and now you are giving Star Cinema a movie which all of us can be proud of.
Thank you rin po. Thank you.
Miko, increase daw, sabi ni Walden. Eto ngayon si Julie.
So, isang question lang po ito. Good evening po, Direk. Direk, di ba last time nag-usap po tayo, di ba? Sabi nyo, pag-iisipan pa kung itutuloy kunan yung love scene o hindi. Ano po bang nangyari sa love scene?
Abangan nyo na lang po.
So meron po.
Abangan nyo na lang po kasi syempre, with the trailer, ang dami nyo na pong nakita, and if sabihin pa namin yung love scene, wala na pong maabangan. Pero, basta abangan nyo na lang po. Total, malapit na konting-konti na lang po. April 3 na.
Ano na lang, clue na lang, Direk, more than sa ginawa nila sa maging sino na gumapang-gapang, binalibag-balibag, mga ganyan.
Anong bago nilang ginawa
Oo, yun.
dito?
Kasi sabi niyo po, di ba, sa maging sino ka man, lahat halos ginawa na nila nung klase ng love scene. So dito dapat it must be different.
It must be different na tahimik. Na hindi yung parang laging in a rush. So, siguro that much I can say na lang po. Yun lang po.
Direk, bakit nagpa-blush si Ann sa love scene? Okay.
Naku, hindi ko na po alam bakit.
Okay, thank you, Direk, ha?
Thank you rin po.
Eto na ngayon si Laila for
Okay. Mag-raffle muna tayo.